What's up, guys? My name is Andrew, and I will be your chair of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, for the 2015 Lund Conference. Now, as a block committee, the purpose of ASEAN is to unite the nations in the Asia-Pacific region for the purposes of stability, peace, and collective advancement. In the context of this year's conference theme of liberation, the three issues that ASEAN will be addressing are those of communicable diseases, mutual disaster relief, and transnational violence. We are also really excited to be bringing two enhancements to the ASEAN Committee this year: cross-committee interactions and a new crisis situation. And that's pretty much it. Once again, my name is Andrew, and I am really excited to see you guys at conference.